Now, welcome to the most anticipated part of any beauty pageant. This is the question and answer portion. To most spectators, this is the most thrilling and intellectually stimulating segment. But since we are dealing with kids, the euphoria will be on another level.
Now, as we celebrate the beauty and talent of these thoughts, it's time to put their intelligence and quick thinking to the test. Again, let's extend some love and generosity to these kids by being encouraging and supportive of their performance in this round. Now, let's begin our question and answer portion. Let's begin with our pair number 1.
Good evening, pair number 1. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited po tonight. I'm good po.
Wow, that's nice to hear. And it
Are
seems
you
like...
ready for your questions?
Are you ready?
Of course, I'm ready. Opo.
Wow. That's the spirit. Now you may draw your question. Please pick one.
Okay, pick your questions, and we'll be asking the male candidate first.
You keep it first. You keep it first. No.
Pick your own question,
You give
baby.
them both. Yan. Thank you.
Okay. So for your question, okay, candidate number 1. In your opinion, why do you think fighting is bad? Sa iyong palagay, bakit hindi maganda ang pakikipag-away?
Maraming salamat sa inyong magandang tanong. Masama ang pakikipag-away dahil magiging sanhi ito ng tampuhan at hindi rin ito isang magandang halimbawa para sa mga nakakabata sa atin. Kaya po, para sa akin, masama ang mag-away dahil hindi po ito magandang halimbawa. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, so now your female candidate number 1. Listen carefully. This is your question. Why should we always say thank you? Bakit mahalagang palaging magpasalamat?
Mahalaga po ang palaging magpasalamat dahil ito po ay pantanaw na pautang na loob, kaya maliit man po o malaki ay dapat nating pagpasalamatan sa ating kapwa. Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank
Pair
you so
number
much.
1.
Pair number 1. Very well ang kanilang pagkakasagot.
Yes.
Parang hindi kinabahan kahit sila ang first na sumagot sa ating Q&A. Now
Talagang
let's welcome
ready talaga sila.
pair number 2.
Kindly pick your questions.
Okay, pick your questions. You may now pick your questions now. And we'll be asking male candidate first. Okay, baby boy?
So are they ready? Before that, we'll ask them first. Are you ready? How are you feeling right now? Ano nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
I'm feeling nervous but I'm ready to challenge.
Wow!
He is very ready. So now, since you are ready, okay.
Let's ask her later na lang.
Okay. Okay, for your question. You saw your classmate crying because he forgot to do his homework. What would you do? Nakita mo ang iyong kaklase na umiiyak dahil nakalimutan niya gawin ang kanyang takdang aralin. Ano ang iyong gagawin?
Maraming salamat sa inyong kagandang katanungan. Kung makita ko man siya na nag-iiyak, tutulungan ko gagawin ang kanyang takdang aralin. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So mukhang ready ang iyong partner. Now, are you ready? Female candidate number 2 to answer your question.
Yes.
All right, that's a big yes. So this is your question. You listen carefully. If you had to choose one, would you rather be smart or be kind? Why? Kung ikaw ay papipiliin, ano ang mas gusto mo? Maging matalino o maging mabait at bakit?
I will choose be kind because kindness has the power to connect people. Thank you.
Short but sweet
Yes,
answer.
short but sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, pair number
Pair number two.
This time, let's welcome pair number 3.
So go directly, draw your question, please.
Parang maraming supporter si pair number 3.
Sigawan nyo ulit, supporters sa pair number 3.
Ayan, nandito sila sa
Ayan.
gitna. Okay. Okay, so since you have already picked your question, are you ready to answer?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. Male candidate number 3. What does being a good friend mean to you? Para sa'yo, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging mabuting kaibigan?
Ang mabuting kaibigan palaging sa kanyang katabi at thank you.
Thank
All right.
you very much.
Thank you so much. Are you ready to answer your question?
Yes.
Yes. So here's your question. You listen carefully. If you would be given a chance to wish for one thing, what would you wish for and why? Kung ikaw ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon na humiling ng isang bagay, ano ito at bakit?
Good evening, everyone. Kung pagbibigyan ako na humiling ng isang bagay, kundi walang iba, kundi ang maging masaya at buo ang aking pamilya. And I thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you so
pair number
much. And we
3.
really hope also that wish would come true.
Yes. And kitang-kita yung katabi ni male candidate number 3. Ayan, mabuti siyang kaibigan.
Of course.
Okay, let's call on pair number
Number
4.
4.
Wow, you look stunning tonight. Come a little bit closer.
Can you move forward?
Okay, pick your question. Okay, male candidate number 4. Can I have your question? Okay, thank you. Okay, your question is, how do you show your love to your family? Paano mo ipinapakita ang pagmamahal sa iyong pamilya?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mapapakita ko po ang pagmamahal sa aking pamilya sa pagmano, sa pag-aral ng mabuti, pagrespeto sa kanila, at pagpapakita ng mahal. Dahil, yun na po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations. Now, are you ready? Okay, so here's your question. If you would find money on the ground, what will you do? Kung makakakita ka ng pera sa daan, ano ang gagawin mo?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Kung makakakita man ako ng pera sa daan, ibabalik ko ito sa may-ari. Kung hindi ko man malaman kung sino ang may-ari na to, maglilipot po ako sa pulisya. At tutulong din po ako, magpo-post sa social media para makatulong naman ako. Dahil naniniwala ko, honesty is the best policy. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Truly indeed, honesty is the best policy. And that's a good point. Everything na mangyayari sa ating mga kabataan, kung wala silang, hindi nila kaya sarili na, they have to report to it to adults, to authorities, di ba?
Yes, and very ma-effort si female candidate number 4 kapag nakakita siya ng pera. Ayan, so sa mga mawawala ng pera dyan, sana si female
Yes.
candidate number 4 ang makapulot. Okay, let's welcome pair number 5. Okay, pair number 5, pick your questions. Okay, so you have already seen your question. Pair for everybody, his question is, what is the best thing about being a kid? Ano ang pinakamagandang bagay sa pagiging bata?
Ang maganda po sa pagiging bata ay makapagralo at makapiling ang kanyang mga pamilya o makakapag-aral. Iyon lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Good. Now, may I have your question? I know you are ready. Oh, you listen. As a child, what do you think is the most important reminder of your parents that you should follow and why? Bilang bata, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamahalagang aral o bilin ng iyong mga magulang ang dapat lagi mong sinusunod at bakit?
Ang pinakamagandang payo ng aking mga magulang sa akin ay mag-aral ng mabuti at makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para ako naman ang umahon sa kanila sa kahirapan. At yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Pair
much.
number 5.
Yun, tama. Unahin lagi ang pag-aaral dahil yan ang susi sa tagumpay.
That is correct. Kaya naman kids, mag-aaral kayong mabuti kasi knowledge is power. Okay, let's welcome pair number 6.
6.
Okay, pick your questions. Okay, please step forward. Okay. Okay ka pa ba, candidate number 6?
Opo.
Okay, so your question is, what should you do if you make a mistake? Ano ang dapat mong gawin kung nagkamali ka?
Ang dapat ko pong gawin kung nagkamali ako, una, aaminin ko ang aking pagkakamali. Pangalawa, pwede po paulit? Ang dapat kong gawin kung magkamali ako, una, aaminin ko ang aking pagkakamali. Pangalawa, itatama ko ang aking pagkakamali. Pangatlo, sisikapin kong hindi na maulit-ulit. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. That finisher is strong.
Very good. Now this time, let's have your question. Why is it important to always tell the truth? Bakit mahalagang palaging magsabi ng totoo?
Mahalaga magsabi ng totoo dahil kung ikaw ay nagsabi ng totoo, ay paniniwalaan ka ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Kung ikaw kasi ay magsinungaling, sa susunod na ang sasabihin mo ay totoo na, hindi ka na nila paniniwalaan. Kaya mahalaga magsabi ng totoo dahil ito ang paraan ng pag-unawa sa isa't isa. Thank you.
Thank you so much, pair number 6.
Very good. Always tell the truth.
Okay, let's call on pair number 7. Pair number 7, I think, is a crowd favorite.
Yeah, mga
Ayan.
naghakot siya ng napakaraming supporters.
Okay. So while you're picking your questions, anong pakiramdam na marami kang supporters tonight?
By the way, curious na ako, anong grade kayo, pair number 7? Anong grade kayo?
Grade 6 po.
Okay, grade 6. Kaya pala mga dalaga na talagang...
Ayan. So anong masasabi mo sa supporters mo tonight?
Ang masasabi ko po sa mga supporters, nagpapasalamat po sa pagpunta rito at thank you so much po.
Oh, how about
Okay.
you?
Okay, right now, are you ready for your question? Okay, can I see it? Okay. Male candidate number 7, your question is, why is it important to be kind to others? Bakit mahalagang maging mabait sa iba?
Mahalagang maging mabait sa iba dahil ito ay nakakapagbigay saya sa ibang tao at naipapakita mo na rito ang iyong pagrespeto at paggalang sa kanila. Thank you.
Congratulations. Would you like to greet your supporters? Mukhang marami-rami yan. Pasalamatan mo muna.
Thank you po sa pagpunta dito at thank you din po sa pagsuporta.
All right, here's your question. What is your favorite thing to do when you are not in school and why? Ano ang paborito mong gawin sa tuwing ikaw ay wala sa eskwelahan at bakit?
Ang paborito ko pong gawin kung wala sa eskwelahan ay ang tumulong sa aking mga magulang sa mga gawaing bahay. Dahil hindi lamang po ang pag-aaral ang aking responsibilidad, kundi ang gawaing bahay din po ay isa sa aking mga pinaka-importanting responsibilidad. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, pair
Thank you
number
so
7. Looks like you made your supporters very proud.
Yes.
Tama ba yon?
We can really see it.
Okay, now let's hear it from pair number 8. Okay, pair number 8, pick your questions. Okay. Okay, your question is, how do you show kindness to people you don't know? Paano ka magpapakita ng kabutihan sa mga hindi mo kakilala?
Maipapakita ko po ang aking kabutihan sa ibang tao sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng po at opo sa pag-uusap at pagiging magalang sa kanila. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Very good. Now, let's have your question. Why is it important to share with others? Bakit mahalagang magbahagi sa iba?
Mahalaga po ang magbahagi sa iba kasi ito po ay nakakapagbigay ng munting saya dahil kung sa atin po ito ay munti lamang, kung sa kanila ay marami na. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Okay,
Thank
thank you
you
so much.
And
pair number 8.
very timely that because Christmas is the season of giving. Yan.
Tama.
You have to share.
Okay, at mapagbigay.
Opo.
Mapagbigay ang mga taga-Semirara. Kitang-kita naman natin yan. And now we're down to our last pair, pair number 9.
Another crowd's favorite here. So you
Okay.
don't have so much choices. So
Okay.
let's answer your question.
Your question. Okay, candidate number 9. Your question is, what is one thing you are thankful for? Ano ang isang bagay na ipinagpapasalamat mo?
Good evening po at good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa magandang katanungan. Ang isang bagay na ipinagsasalamat ko po ay nagkaroon po ako ng magulang na nagpalaki sa akin, nag-alaga at nagsakripisyo. Nagsakripisyo para sa magandang kinabukasan. Kaya po ang isang bagay na ipinagsasalamat ko ay nagkaroon ako ng magulang na maalaga. And I thank you.
Ayan, kitang-kita naman natin kung gaano ka-grateful na bata si male candidate
Yes.
number 9.
And we are now down to our last question for tonight. And here's your question. How do you show respect to people? Paano mo ipinakikita ang paggalang sa mga tao?
Salamat po sa inyong magandang tanong. Ipapakita ko po ang aking paggalang sa pamamagitan ng pagbati kahit hindi kakilala at paggalang ng kusa. Kaya naman ang maipagpapasalamat ko po ay may pagpapatuloy ko po ay ang maging tapat. At yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, pair number 9. Wow.
Congratulations, guys!
Kitang-kita na hindi lang magagaling ang mga bata ng Semirara. They are also very matalino. Tama ba yon?
Yes. Exactly. And proud na proud ako sa inyo. I know it's not easy to express yourself on stage, but definitely they did great tonight.